Hey Jennifer, are you eating your yogurt? Let's see how you eat it. Oh, you don't eat the handle of the spoon. How do you scoop it and take a bite? Can you show us? Scoop and whoops. Uh-oh. Here, try this spoon. Try this one. You use that one? Okay. Scoop. And bite. Yay, good job. Scoop. And bite. Oh, wonderful. You're so good at eating your yogurt. Yum, yum. Okay. Yeah, you eat it. Eat your yogurt. Good job. Oh, dumping it all out. Okay, are you finished? Spoon? Spoon. Oh, that one had yogurt on it. Okay, are you finished? I think it's bath time. You think it's bath time? Okay. Ernest, can you say bye-bye? Jennifer. Bye-bye. You cutie. Say bye-bye. You're not going to wave? Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.